This week we have had the pleasure of checking out GREEN AUSTEVOLL whilst she anchors at our local Margate Roads anchorage, a beautiful, fully fledged member of the Green Reefer fleet. Let's go check it out. This being a particularly windy but also beautiful evening, shows off the two flags flying high above the vessel. Firstly, we see the red, white and blue of the Union Jack, representing the United Kingdom whose waters she is anchored in. The second being the flag of the Bahamas, where the ship is registered, with a home port of Nassau. She features 4 cargo holds, which all can be refrigerated down to a temperature of -25 degrees Celsius, -13 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing the transportation of perishable cargo. The term reefer ship is a general term used for cargo ships fitted with refrigeration capabilities like the one we see here. You will notice some of the hatches are open on one side of the cargo areas. This is presumably to air out the cargo holds ready for their next use. GREEN AUSTEVOLL features 4 hydraulic cranes, seen here, allowing her to move cargo around independently from the docks, loading and unloading machinery, making her more versatile than your standard cargo vessels. The vessel, built in 1991 in Norway, has been operating in and around Europe and the United Kingdom predominantly for the last few years, carrying out operations for the Green Reefers Company. She is one of the heavier vessels we have featured on the channel so far, with a gross weight of 5,084 tons and a summer dead weight tonnage of around 6,000 tons. Her length is 107 meters and a beam of 18 meters. We appreciate your help, and if you would like to help us make more of these videos, leave a comment, tap the like button, and be sure to subscribe. Until next time.